Hey guys, welcome to the very first TutTheGuy YouTube tutorial. What we're going to do in this channel is we are going to try and do the tutorials that you guys want us to do. So if you want to write in the comments a tutorial that you want to learn something about, whether it be Photoshop, different type of software, something to do with a computer or anything along those lines, hit us up in the comments or shoot us an inbox. I say us, but it's just me. But anyways, that's what we're going to try to do. But for the very first video, I'm just going to show you how I made a simple YouTube icon or thumbnail for the profile or the channel. So it's going to look a little similar like this. We got a very nice gradient background. Um, with some nice text on top, very simple, and it looks visually pleasing as well. So we're going to click on File, New. It's going to be 1000 by 1000 height and width, just using the measurement pixels. First thing first is we're going to go, what I like to do, I like to double click on background and just um, make it a new layer instead of a locked background. But anyways, we're going to go New, Fill Layer, Gradient Fill. I already pre-chosen my colors, and I'll just give you guys, I'll show you guys what colors they are in a second. So I've got this very nice blue, and then I'm going to change it to radial. Now you can also click reverse if you want to reverse the colors from going from dark to light or light to dark and vice versa. But we're going to go from light to dark in this instant. Now we got our two colors that you can use the same color code as me if you like, which is 00CBFF, and the second color is 00A8F6. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create some text. So we're going to click on this little T. We're going to click, and because we're not going to write our whole channel name. Again, I'm saying our, but it's just one person, singular. We're going to use Tut the Guy. So instead of writing Tut the Guy, we're going to write TTG. And you're going to be like, oh no, my text color is all weird. Don't worry, we can always change that. You can either change it by clicking our little color palettes or a color picker. We can change it to white, just like that. Or you can always double click on it, on the layer, and just go color overlay and pick a color to override it. But the best way is just to have it white, because you may be using that color overlay for something else. Alright, so we can whack it in the middle, or if you really want to get it directly middle, we can go press Control R on your keyboard, and we can click on the ruler, so click and drag. And as we know, it's 500 pixels is halfway because we made it 1000 by 1000. We can just make it like that. So we were very close. We were very close to putting that on the center, but we just had to move it just a little bit, and it will just lock on into the middle. Just like that. You can see it lines up into the middle there. Might be a little bit hard to see because of the blue rule lines, but they will not show up in the final composition. But anyways, we're just going to add some life to these letters. If you want to change the size, you can change it up here at the top. You can either write in your number or pick a preset number. But we're just going to double click on the layer, actually not on the picture itself, on the layer, on the space next to the writing. It's going to bevel and emboss. We're not going to change any of the settings there. It's going to give it a little bit of depth. Also going to add a light gradient. We can change the colors, but I just want to use just black and white for this one. And then I'm going to push down this opacity around to 6%. That's just going to give it a little bit of makes it look like the bottom of the letters are in a bit of a like shade. And what else we're going to use an outer glow, and I'm going to pick like a fluoro green. You guys see what I'm doing here in a second, and I'm going to push the size up just a bit, and it's going to give the letters a little bit of pop. It's going to have that little bit of glow, and then we're done. We go File, save as. You can save it as a PSD. if you want to keep working on it, or you can save it as like a JPEG, just by going JPEG and then name it whatever you want, and you're ready to go. So again, guys, comment on what you want to see as a tutorial next time. Hopefully this channel grows quick enough that I'm able to get some suggestions for the next video. If not, I'll make another tutorial just off the top of my head. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial from Tut the Guy. Again, it's just one person, I keep saying it's us. But if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you dislike it, you know what to do. Hit that dislike button. And if you like to subscribe to see more tutorials and get updated, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys very much. Hope you enjoy and have a great day.